problem number 7. Which of the following expressions involving u has the same value as what we see right here? Alright, well let's see if we can transform this into an expression involving u. We'll make u equal to x cubed plus 2, which makes du equal to 3x squared dx. Alright, well we have the x squared and the dx, but we don't have the 3, so we'll sneak a 3 on the inside and a 1/3 on the outside. So right away that triggers that we're going to need a 1/3. Alright, so a and c are out. Okay, what we have here is the integral. The 3x squared and the dx are going out and du is coming in. And instead of f of x cubed plus 2, we have f of u. Alright, now we need our bounds. Do they change? Well, when we plug in 0, 0 cubed plus 2 gives us 2. And 1 cubed plus 2 gives us 3. So we don't want b, that has the wrong bounds. It has x's bounds. We want d, which has u's bounds. Alright, number 8. The integral from 3 to 6 of f of 3x dx is equal to 12. Which of the following must be true? Well, you get the theme of this homework. We're looking at some u substitution. So here we go. Let's make u equal to the inner function. U is equal to 3x. Du, therefore, would be 3 dx. We have the dx, we don't have the 3, so we need the 1/3 outside. Alright, so we have 1/3 the integral of f of u du. Alright, our bounds were 3 and 6, but now they're going to be 3 times 3 and 6 times 3, or 9 and 18. Alright, so what we did here is we changed our variable from x to u, okay, but it's the same function. So the integral from 3 to 6 of f of 3x dx is equal to what I just wrote down here. Since these two are the same, and we know that our first item was equal to 12, we can set our new integral equal to 12 as well. Well, all of the answers talk about the integral from 1 to 2 or 9 to 18 of f of u. Alright, there's no 1/3 out front. So let's get rid of this 1/3. In order to get rid of a 1/3, don't we just need to multiply by 3? Of course, we have to do that on both sides. And doing so leads us to the idea that the integral from 9 to 18 of f of u du is equal to 3 times 12, which is 36. So our answer is D. Alright, final question for this assignment. A little bit more. Alright, if the integral from -4 to 11 of f of u du is equal to 8, what's the value of this right here? So we're thinking this is kind of crazy, but again, following the theme of this homework, we're going to make u equal to x to the 4th minus 5. Okay? Why? Well, because if we do this substitution, that sets up an f of u situation. Of course, we need all the peripheral stuff as well. What's du? Well, that's 4x cubed dx. We got the dx, we got the x cubed, we don't have the 4, so we put it in with the corresponding 1/4 out front. So we now have our antiderivative symbol, 1/4 out front, and then we need to change our bounds. We're going to plug -1 in here, so we have -1 to the 4th minus 5. This is 1. 1 minus 5 is -4. And then we plug in 2 for x. 2 to the 4th minus 5. That's 16. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Minus 5 gives us 11. So we have -4. And we have 11. And lo and behold, that's what they're asking us about. Now, our original problem, we had -1 and 2. Now they're asking us about -4 and 11. Since you know about changing the bounds, this problem doesn't become all that hard at all. We know that this integral, without the quarter in front, is equal to 8. So we can sub out the integral, and we can sub in its value, which is 8. So our answer is 1/4 of 8, or 2.